This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Jeff Chansey. Rare 3C Air Garage. Like new home, gently used. Over 2,500 living square feet. Modern floor plan downstairs bedroom would make a great in-home office or guest suite with its own bathroom. Additional bedrooms are on second floor with a large living space in its center. Laundry room is on second floor for easy access. Large master suite and spacious walk-in closet. The master bathroom has a large soaking tub, double sinks, and shower. The granite kitchen with stainless steel appliances is large and open to the home, with breakfast bar. Large screen back porch with entire backyard fenced with PVC fencing for privacy. Also relaxing front covered porch, freshly painted exterior, and some neutral interior painting. Just completed community has underground utilities and minutes to shopping and beaches. For more information, review the details below.